What a lovely day. We're at the lovely countryside. Over there we have a swan swanning around. Over here are other native species of birds. As you can see over there, there's a rare bird over there. I don't know what it's called, so I don't know. Over here, we have a nice, beautiful, lovely swan. And now, without further ado, I give to you. Oh, bread. And it's going to be launched right at the swan.
No.
Why? Watch all these. Watch all these seagulls. Look, they're looking at the bread. Right, ready? Go. You record over there, around about it. Oh, oh, bollocks! Bread! It's over there! Ah, bread! Get the bread! Get the fucking bread! Get the bread! Ah! Fight the bread! It's a bread battle. It's a battle for the bread. Who's gonna win the bread? Oh! It's getting all dramatic. It's going all dramatic. They're fucking going mad over bread. Just the one slice of bread.
That's a good bread.
I know.
See, it's still.
It's a bird bath.
Still.
Where'd it go? I don't know. Is it sunk? I'm still fighting over it. Over here, you see the swan doesn't even care that he's missed out over the bread. He's like, I'm too good for bread.
You're too good for the crust.
He's reaching in for other pieces of food. And over here, you see the bread has finally been demolished. We have a few sleeping ducks. And I think that should conclude today's bird bread bath. Goodbye.